I want to talk a little bit about turkey feet. My derpy turkey has feet that have 3 toes on them with a section to glue it back to the body. My 3D turkey also has 3 toes, long skinny legs. My paper plate turkey does not even have any feet, but I totally could have put some feet down here on this turkey if I wanted to. And then this guy has some very simple feet without really any toes, with a section that I left on so I could glue it down to get it to stick to the tube. Okay, I also want to talk a little bit about Beaks. With this beak, it's just folded down and glued on to the bottom. With this beak, what I did was, oops, it just came off so I can show you better. I made the beak and then I folded it again like this to get a little backing on here that I could put the glue on to stick down onto the turkey so that the bottom of the beak also sticks out. Okay, and I did that for this turkey too. Some of the beaks are orange, some of them are yellow. Similar thing here with this beak. I decided to give some of my turkeys gobblers like this. This one is wavy and long. These ones look more like balloons kind of. And you can have 1 or you can have 2. It's really up to you what you decide to do. With almost all of these eyes that I made, I decided to just take my piece of paper and I folded it in half. And then I traced the lid of a glue stick to get the perfect round eyes. If you wanted slightly smaller eyes, you could find something else to trace. Say, for example, the top of a marker. Since that's round, you could trace that to get smaller eyes. You could get bigger eyes by tracing the bottom of a cup. I have cups that are slightly smaller than this too, so that your eyes don't have to be so big. And for the eyes, you could also just make like teardrop kind of shaped eyes that you would just draw yourself. So really there's a lot of choices for how to make your eyes. One last thing I want to talk about is wings on your turkey. I didn't make wings for any of my turkeys. The wings, of course, would not be your tail, but wings that you could maybe, so for example, with this turkey, I could attach wings up here and I could make them whatever shape I wanted to, I could add wings down here for this turkey. I could draw wings on with a black marker. However I want to make my wings, and I can also decide that I don't need wings for my turkey. I could even make wings out of a pipe cleaner, something like that. All right, it is totally up to you. Be creative and have fun, all right?